Hello, this is an unboxing video. Manufacturer number is 68301. This is made by Streamlight. It's a 4AA LED flashlight. I'm going to open up the box with you so you can see what comes inside. Here we have your operating instructions and information about the flashlight. It comes with your 4 AA batteries. It comes with an attachment to hang around your wrist or your neck. Also comes with a ring, a key ring. And here's the flashlight. The on-off switch is right here at the bottom. It does say Streamlight 4AA in here.